Hi mga loves! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening! Nasaan man kayo? Welcome back to my channel! Okay, so mga loves! Today, I'm going to share with you guys my back-to-school makeup look. Ayan. So, ito yung aking back-to-school makeup look, mga loves. It's not bongga. It's not super dark or ma-eyeshadow talaga. No, it's just a natural look. And this is just parang nakakabata look. Parang teenager lang talaga or kakapatong lang ng college. Yung wala pa masyadong thesis. Wala pa masyadong problema. Walang breakups. Ganun. So, kayo dyan, kumusta na kayo? Mayroon na ba kayong crush dyan sa inyong mga classroom? Oh, how about kinasusuklamang professor? May hugot. Or how about mga bagong friends? Diba? So, kumusta na ang back to school? Sana okay lang kayong mga loves. So, mga loves, ito yung aking back to school makeup look. As well, like what I said, this is just very natural and very refreshing sa face. And you don't really put too much makeup sa inyong face dahil bata pa naman kayo at nag-aaral pa. So, no need to make abuso of your face. Okay? Just alagaan yung mabuti at huwag masyadong too much. Alright? So, by the way, mga loves, at the end of this video, I will be announcing my add-on prizes sa aking giveaway. So, sa mga hindi pa nakasali ng giveaway, please, sumali na kayo sa aking giveaway dahil marami akong mga additional prizes. Bongga! Okay. So, if hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell button para ma-notify kayo ng aking mga next videos. And give me a big like on this video as well. If you would like to know how I did this back-to-school makeup na super natural and refreshing lang talaga sa feeling, stay tuned and keep on watching.
Undress my love, I'll never be like her again. If you see my pose right now, it could feel just like a sledgehammer. Again. And if you take my pose right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. You can take my ride, I know it would feel just like a sledgehammer. From home. I don't admit it, I play it cool, but every minute that I'm with you, I feel the fever and I won't lie, I break a sweat. My body's telling all the secrets I ain't told you yet. I can never be that girl again. No, I can never be that girl again. No. Do? And if you don't have a clue, not a clue, I'll tell you what to do.
Okay, so ayun na mga loves. Tapos na yung aking back to school makeup. So sana nagustuhan nyo. Hindi siya makapal. Hindi rin siya masyadong maraming makeup. Normal lang at natural lang din at refreshing lang din yung itsura niya mga loves. So, diba? So, eto lang naman aking back to school makeup mga loves. And gaya ng sinabi ko kanina mga loves, I will be announcing kung ano yung mga add-on prizes namin sa giveaway. So, since July is my birthday month, then I will be adding more prizes para mas marami pa po yung mga mananalo sa atin. So, without further ado, ang aking prize ay mag-add-on kami ng isang itong powder matte ng Maybelline. Isa ito sa mga magiging minor prize. And also, di ba nakita nyo kanina yung aking fashion brow na shape duo something sa Maybelline? Isa din yun. And also, this is Kungkung's necklace. Ayan. So, ganyan. So, pag nanalo kayo, gagawan ko kayo ng name necklace. Of course, personalized pangalan nyo. Pag nanalo kayo, so, sasabihin nyo lang sa akin kung anong design yung gusto nyo para sa necklace nyo na name nung font. So, yun. Gagawin namin yun para sa inyo. Okay, so tatlo yung magiging additional prize. Yung name necklace, yung Maybelline powder matte na lipstick, at yung Maybelline fashion brow duo shaper something. I think it's, yeah, duo shaper. Okay, so yun mga loves. Don't forget to hit like if you like this video. And please, sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button para ma-notify kayo ng aking mga new videos moving forward. And don't forget to join the giveaway promo, okay? Thank you so much mga loves. So, ulitin. I love you.
Close your eyes para makita ka nila. Close your eyes na. Yan. Other side. Other side. Ginidim po. Ayan. Kalo. Load. Ate. Ate. Wow. Kamu na yung buhok ni. Ano? Hi. What's your name?
Boy Pilas.
Kit-kit tayo na pa-kit-kit. Diba? Ang ganda ng make-up. Okay, mga loves. So, eto yun mga loves. Thank you so much. Ito ang kanya ginawa kong makeup kay Boy Pila. Sana nagustuhan niya mga loves.
Okay, so yan mga loves. Thank you so much. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang makeup ni Boy Pilas na ginawa ko. Kaya lang, where's Kungkung? Finish na? Oh, you wipe your, don't na ikaw. You wipe your ano muna. So, sana nagustuhan nyo ang makeup. So, naligo na siya mga loves, pero may scarf pa rin siya pink. So, katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina mga loves, sana na